For this C problem here, there are two ways we can go about doing this. One way is by keeping the decimals in there, or the other way is by converting to fractions. So in this case, converting to fractions will be a little easier. So the 0.125 should be a fraction that I can recognize as being 1/8. Okay, so that's what I'm going to write right here, 1/8 y. The 0.25 I can write as 1/4, that's pretty obvious. The 0.375 would be 3/8, so write that right here. The 0.4375, I don't think you know that one. You could write that as 4,375 over 10,000, and so then I can reduce that and I get 7/16. So I have two equations here, 7/16x plus 1/8 y equals 11, and then 1/4 x minus 3/8 y equals -8. So for this first equation over here, I can get rid of the fractions by multiplying both sides by 16. When I do that, I have 7x plus 2y equals 176. And then this equation over here, I can multiply both sides by 8. I'm left with 2x minus 3y equals -64. So now I have my two equations here. I can solve this system by making sure that they will add together so that one of the variables will cancel. So to do that, I want to multiply the left equation, the right equation by some number so that they will cancel. If I multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2, I'll then get a 6y and a -6y, and those are going to cancel. So the rest of this you see written here, 21x plus 6y equals 528, and then 4x minus 6y equals -128. So when I add them together, now the y's will cancel. I'm left with the 25x equals 400. Divide both sides by 25, x would be 16. So x is 16. I can plug that back into one of my original equations, or I guess one of the revised equations right here. So when I do that, I get 7x plus 2y equals 176. Plug a 16 in and solve, and I get y equaling 32.